Hello students, today we are going to sing the Unit 7 Geography of Tamil Nadu. Already we learned a few topics about these lessons. Today we are going to sing the following topics like information technology, special economic zone, manufacturing and engineering industry, automobile industry, chemical and plastic industry, handloom and power looms industry, sugar industry, tourism industry. From this topic, we want to see the first topic, information technology. According to the National Association Software and Service Companies, NASSCOM. What is the expansion word? NASSCOM. First, we should know the meanings of information technology. We should get the information from with the help of some industry, some machines or device. In Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh together account for 59.6% of India total software export. So Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh together it will be export the software industry 59.6%, nearly it will be 60%. Next our topic, special economic zone. Special economic zone SEZ, it will provide the internationally competitive means competition for two other countries. So hassles free environment for export. The unit in SEZ manufacture goods and provide the range of service. SEZ are located in Nanganeri, Ennur and Hosur and Perambalur. So these are the special economic zone. Next our topic, manufacturing and engineering industry. Manufacturing industry is one of the vibrant sector of the state economy. Vibrant sector means it will be giving more support to the economic development and contribute the significant to the industrial output. The manufacturing industry broadly covers the manufacture of machineries and equipments. Mostly this type of the manufacturing industries or it will be produce the machines and equipments. Motor vehicles, basic metals and alloy industry. Alloy industry means the depending industries. The Tamil Nadu share of the industrial output is around 11 to 12% of country output and 15% of country exports. This data is very important for us for exam point of view. The Tamil Nadu account for about 17% of India software export. How many percentage the Tamil Nadu it will take part the export the software? Nearly 17%. Next, automobile industry. The share of Tamil Nadu is in all India. The production of automobile and heavy vehicles is rather significant. Automobile means it will be produced two-wheeler, four-wheeler and etc. The automobile industry play a crucial role in the state economy and has one of the key driving factors. It is the contributing for GDP nearly 8% for us. So giving direct employment for 2,20,000 of people per year. The Tamil Nadu account for about 21% of passenger car, 33% of commercial vehicles and 35% of automobile components produced in India. Major automobile factories, very important for you. Ford, Hyundai, HM, Mitsubishi, Ashok Leyland and TAF. These are the industries for us, very important for you. Next our topic, chemical and plastic industry. The chemical industry is one of the faster growing sector of industry and economy. The sector contribute nearly 13% of the state GDP and 18% of the total exports of the country. 13% and 8%. It's very important data for us. Handlooms and power looms. Handloom sector in the state is the single largest cottage industry. Cottage means it's a less profit and they are not owned by a very large scale. And the power loom, it's a major or a very large industry in our country. This is for free supply of uniforms to school children and free distributions of sarees and dhoti schemes. So this handloom and power looms, it will be contribute for us the free supply of uniform to school children and free distributions of sarees and dhoti scheme. The next industry, sugar industry. It is very important for us. The sugar industry in Tamil Nadu is an important agro-based industry. What do you mean agro-based industry? This type of industries are based on the agriculture. It plays a vital role in the economic development of the state, particularly in the rural areas. These sugar industry provide large-scale direct employment to several thousands of indirect employment to the several lakhs of farmers and agricultural laborers in the rural areas who are involved in the cultivations of sugarcane, harvesting, transporting and other service. There are 34 sugar mills in Tamil Nadu. How many sugar mills have in Tamil Nadu? 34 sugar mills in our Tamil Nadu, in which 16 are in the cooperative sector, 18 in the private sector. So these are the data for 34 sugar mills. The last topic for us, tourism industry. Tourism, I think you are missed for this tourism because these vacations, because the coronavirus, COVID-19, it will be affect large. So the tourism considered as an industry because it's an enormous potential in creating employment for a large number of people. In recent years, the state has emerged as one of the leading tourism destinations for the both domestic and foreign tourists. So DTC, Tourism Development Corporations. The government will support this organization. The state currently ranked the highest among the Indian states, 25 crore arrival in 2013 data. The annual growth rate of this industry is to 16%. Approximately 28 lakh foreign and 11 crore domestic tourists visit our state annually. The presence of ancient monuments, pilgrim centers. So which are the places the tourists are going to visit? The ancient monuments, pilgrim center, hill stations, variety of natural landscape, long coastline along with rich culture and heritage. Thank you students. I hope you are understood about this topic. Thank you.